In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for holiday calendar schemes and resource planning. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll be ready to efficiently manage your team's schedule utilizing this powerful tool. First, let's begin by navigating to Monday.com. Once you've arrived on the homepage, you'll need to log in. Simply click on the Login button. A seamless way to access your account is by using Google. So go ahead and select the Google option, then choose the Google account associated with your Monday.com profile. Once you've successfully logged in, head over to your specific board. This is where you'll have an overview of your current projects and tasks. It's essential to have your board ready because this is where the magic of planning will take place. Next, direct your attention to the top right of the screen where you'll see the Marketplace icon. Click on this to enter the Marketplace, which offers various apps designed to enhance your Monday.com experience. In the search bar, type in Teamboard. This is the app we're going to install to help us with resource planning and time tracking. Upon searching, you'll find an app titled Teamboard, Resource Planning and Time Tracking. Click on it to get more details about its features. When you're ready, click on Install App. This app is crucial as it provides the functionality needed for effective holiday scheduling and resource allocation. After clicking Install, you'll need to confirm the process again by clicking Install. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process, and within moments, the app will be ready for you to use. Once the app is installed, you'll be prompted to start with your own workspace. Selecting this option will allow you to integrate the app with your existing Monday.com setup, tailoring it specifically to your workflow. With this done, it's time to select the board where you intend to use the app. Choose your board wisely, as this will be the central hub for all your planning endeavors. After selecting your board, proceed by clicking on Add App. This final step ensures that the app is correctly added to your board, equipping it with new functionalities. Now that everything's set up, you can readily begin tracking holiday dates and planning schedules. You're fully equipped to manage your team's resources effectively and ensure that tasks are aligned with everyone's availability. Take some time to explore the features and see how they can benefit your team's productivity. I hope this tutorial helps you harness the power of Monday.com for better holiday and resource planning. Remember, good planning leads to great success. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.